Alright, so back at her again today. We'll start welding up the bottom of these boxes now. Should give me lots of access to her. Alright. Alright. Got her all welded up. Now just spend some time cleaning it up and making her look pretty. Alright. Got most everything ground down here. There's a nice sharp edge on it. And I gotta weld a couple little boxing plates in there to fill up stuff, but that's it for now. She's looking pretty good. I got this top side here. I'm gonna start on that next. Get it all ground down. And then what I did here is I just put a bar in here to make it rigid. Eventually what I'll do is I'll put another bar like midway on an angle, and then I'll have like a drive shaft loop here and then an angle. It'll give support to that crossways as well as provide some safety so the thing doesn't come through the floor. So, yeah. I like those rims. A little beat up and rusty, but whatever. They're a rat rod. It'll be alright.